A tank is filled by three pipes with uniform flow. The first two pipes operating simultaneously fill the tank in the same time, during which the tank is filled by the third pipe alone. The second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than the third pipe. The time required by the first pipe is, see what is given in the question. There are three pipes, let's say P1, P2 and P3. It is given that the time taken by P1 plus P2 is equal to time taken by P3. Right? Now, if you will focus on the second part of the question, it is saying that the second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster than the first pipe. So assume that the time taken by pipe P2 is x hours. Don't worry, I'll not use the quadratic equation and I'll solve the question in an efficient way. Don't worry. So by virtue of that, the time taken by pipe P1 will be x plus 5 hours. Now it is saying that P2 is 4 hours slower than the third pipes. So what will be the time taken by P3? X minus 4. Now you can use this statement, right? So what you will write? You will write 1 by x plus 5 plus 1 by x is equal to 1 by x minus 4. Now here are the important point. Don't solve this question by making the quadratic equation by taking LCM and something like that. Try to use common sense. Try to use options. If you will put x is equal to 6, what you will get? On the left side you will get 1 by 6. Here you will get 1 by 11. And on the right side you will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 50%. And at any cost, 1 by 11 is 9.9% and 1 by 6 is 15.66%. So you will not get left hand side 50%. So first will be straight away ignored. If you will put x is equal to 30, what you will get? 1 by 30, 1 by 35, and on the right side you will get 1 by 26. It will be little bit lesser than 4%. What will be the answer? It will be exactly 3.8%. You don't know how to find, then I have already made a video on percentage. And if you will consider on the left hand side, it will be 3.33%. And it is more than 2%. So ultimately you are getting higher value on the left hand side as compared to right hand side. So option D is also ignored. Now you are left with only two options, either B or C. Try to use any of the option in between B and C. So I am taking x is equal to 10, or you can say option number B. What you will write? 1 by x plus 5, that imply 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16.66%. 1 by 10 is 10% and 1 by 15 is 6.66%. So you are getting precisely 16.66% on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So you are getting the exact value of x is equal to 10. Now in the question it is asking that the time required by the first pipe. So first pipe was taking x plus 5. So answer will be 10 plus 5, that imply 15 hours.